Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and today, like the title says, we are going to be doing a braids maintenance vlog. So along with this maintenance vlog, I have been working on something in the background for you guys that I wanted to share. It is a braids maintenance guide, day by day, of ideally what you want to do, and you can tailor this to you. For the most part, this is like my guide that I kind of stick to. So I wanted to share that with you guys. There is a link down below in the description bar where you will be able to download that. I hope you guys enjoy that. Please leave a comment down below letting me know if you download it, if you like it. I wanted it to be something really easy and simple that you guys could use like day to day for your braids. So let's get into the vlog. So today is Wednesday, April 26th. It's officially one day or 1 week from when I started putting my braids in. I started putting them in last Wednesday on the 19th. Basically, this is like up until like my first wash day. I feel like I did such a good job on parting the back of my head this time. This little thing here, this is the BioSilk Silk Therapy Irresistible Hair Fragrance. I bet you didn't guess that. You probably thought this was like an anti-itch spray or something like that. I spray this on my hair every time I come in from outside. Like if I go for a walk, I spray this on my hair. I usually spray it on in the morning, like when I'm getting dressed for the day. So I'm usually spraying it down the length of my braids, and I know it's kind of hard to see because they're kind of out of frame. Spray it, not in my mouth. Yeah, this definitely has alcohol in it, so I don't try to put too much on my scalp. Just a little spritz, a little light. All the products, you guys, I am gonna link them down below, so you don't have to ask for anything. Also, the links that I put down in the description bar are affiliate links, which means if you click on them, then I'm gonna get paid. Okay, y'all, so I got all the way to the end of this maintenance vlog and realized I never showed y'all how I wrap my hair up at night. I feel like I've showed it like on my Instagram, but I want to show y'all here too. So I take my hair, make sure it's parted down the middle because that's how I like to wear my hair. So if you like to wear it to the side, part your hair to the side. My scarf, this is the same scarf that y'all been seeing me use, like even when I wear my silk presses and stuff. Lay it flat. You're gonna bring it underneath your braids, okay? Don't do this just like on top. It's going to slip off, okay? Put this underneath your braids, wrap it around, and then tie it off at the top. Then I take a little scrunchie, a little silky one. Remember, we're not using any rubber bands. And then I just have it in a low, like you see, I didn't even wrap it around, just like a low little pony like that.